All right, weather weenies, you've had some amazing winter weather questions about snow formation and all this other kind of stuff. We're going to get to it. But first, let's touch base on that New England forecast. Y'all my home base and we know that. But more cool science stuff is coming. Just you wait. So it's cold out there. But you guys knew that was coming because we've been talking about this for a few weeks. So we're going to see this cold last for about a week because we're in a pattern where everything's coming from like the west or even the northwest right now. So if we look at what's going on, we just see that there's like this high pressure out here. There's going to be a trough that comes through here that's going to bring us some snow. But otherwise, everything you're going to see just generally is moving in this kind of direction. Here's some snow and stuff that's going to move in. This is going to be Wednesday, once again, Wednesday into Thursday. We talked about that as well. Maybe another little something that comes then on Saturday, Sunday-ish over the weekend. No one's going to hate a little weekend snow flurry. That's going to be fine. So we're definitely seeing this pattern stay this way for about a week. But then we are going to see a slight shift. We're going to start to see something here come from the southwest. We're looking this time next week or mid next week. That means these cold temperatures are here to stay. This is wonderful setup for those who like pond hockey, ice fishing, stuff like that. This is great, great weather to get that ice to really form. And the ski resorts are also going to be pretty happy. National Weather Service forecast discussion. Just the summary right here is good enough. It says a broad and chilly cyclonic flow, so cyclonic is kind of counterclockwise, will remain over the region early this week, bringing a few flurries or snow showers to the mountains. Cool, a complex series of upper-level troughs will once again cross the forecast area next week, with the greatest chance of any snowfall occurring Wednesday night into Thursday. We already saw that in the GFS model. Afterward, gusty winds, very cold air mass moves in behind. The late week system brings below normal temperatures. Guess what? We have below normal temperatures now and for like a solid week. Average temperature for Manchester, New Hampshire for the entire month of December, if you were to kind of average it out, it's about like 38 for a high and 19 for a low. We should definitely be getting below freezing at night, slightly above during the day. And if we look at AG2 Trader here and take a look at these blues mean that we are looking at below average temperatures. So once again, good solid week. There's where we saw that system that's going to be coming from the southwest. That will warm things up a little bit, but then hopefully after that, things are going to get back to normal. Looking kind of centrally as at Manchester, New Hampshire's temperatures, definitely getting lows down like teens at times, upper teens, but teens at times, with a couple exceptions where we'll have some cloudy days and it may not drop out of the 20s or 30s. But we're seeing a lot of temperatures falling really, really cold. Warming up though, okay, during the day, upper 30s, maybe low 40s. Like I said, once again, for Manchester, generally for the next week or so. For the snow that's going to move into the area Wednesday, Thursday-ish, what we're going to see there is just kind of a broad couple inches everywhere, and it's going to extend pretty far to the southeast as well. I think even places, you know, if you're really insulated by the ocean, you're like way out there on the Cape, you may not see as much. But I think through Connecticut, through some of Rhode Island, through a lot of Massachusetts, you're going to see a lot of snow, though it may start as rain in a lot of places for you, but hopefully everyone's going to get an ending of snow. But then after that, the winds are going to really pick up, and Friday is going to feel brutal. As it gets closer, we'll talk more about that snow that's going to be moving in Wednesday, Thursday, and the cold that's coming after. More details to come.